What's up, everybody? Welcome to my washroom. It is tiny. This has got to be maybe 6 by 6 or something like that. It is not enough room for the amount of people we have living here, and I think in general. I mean, even if I were a single person living in this house, I would want more storage space. I think this wall right here is completely underutilized. There should be shelving here and more shelving here, at least maybe 2 rows, smaller cabinets. I don't know, something more efficient than this. However, this door opens inward, and this is part of the original 1960s house. The first thing I wanted to do was replace this door, make it a left-hand outswing, and while the hinges would be outside, I don't think that's the biggest deal because I'll put security hinges on first of all, but also anyone that wants to break into the house, you're gonna hear what's happening well before they're actually into the house. So I went ahead and ordered a special order from Home Depot. It's a metal door with a window just to get some air circulation in this room when it needs it. I'm gonna be having that installed today. So that's the first step to redoing this laundry room to make it a more modern, efficient room that has more utility, more storage, and will be easier to work in. I got the door contractor here, check it out.
Um, 34, 35.
Alright, so the guys left yesterday, but it was nighttime, so I'm getting this footage the next morning, and man, there is a huge difference between our old door and the new door. Old door was definitely, I think, from the 60s or so. This is a masonite steel door. I wanted it to be secure, and I also wanted the window because this laundry room is so dark. This just gives it a whole new life. It's bright in there, you can see what you're doing finally, and there's also some weatherproofing all along every new door should have. It's a lot more energy efficient, has all the weather molding around. Generally you want the hinges on the inside, but these are security hinges. They lock into place if the door is closed, so you're not going to be able just to lift it off if you unhook the pins. So I think we're good on that. It is far more quiet than the other door was. I mean, the washer's running, you can't hear it, and far more quiet. It is a steel door, insulated. So let me know what you think. Are you doing any door projects? I've been obsessed with doors. I replaced all the doors in my house recently. The front door, and probably back doors will come later. This in particular was a really expensive door. The door itself was like $460, and then to get it installed was about $250 for a total around $700. Was it needed? No, it was not needed. It's a want, but it looks so much better, and I am so much more pleased, and I'm very glad that I had this done.